I need nearly 10,000 grams of cementol to make this huge 16-inch fire pit, but I just discovered I have one teeny, itsy bitsy problem. I don't have any more cementol. Okay, it's nice to be back, and I have two pieces of advice for you, and that is, one, if you ever decide you want to be a YouTuber, and I mean this, make sure you have your products in line before you get on camera. I mean, the last thing you want to do is get on camera and go, ooh, I gotta run to the store. Hope you forgive me. Okay, now my second piece of advice is, if you're following along or doing something similar, or you're just working with concrete, make sure you have your respirator. You ready to get started? Let's go. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. First things first, we need to grease up my large main bowl. It's not just lubrication for lubrication's sake, it's the secret to ensuring that demolding this beauty is a piece of cake. And it doesn't stop there. I'm not sparing my smaller bowl either. It's getting a lubing session to make the demolding process smoother than a jazz melody. Now I'm filling up the smaller bowl with rocks to create a rock solid stabilizer and to keep everything in place once I add the concrete. Next, it's cementol time. I'm mixing cementol and supra black pigment in my trusty bucket. And with almost 10,000 grams of concrete to deal with, I'm breaking it down to 2 manageable portions. Stirring it all together is no joke, so I've got my trusty drill to save the day. And once that mixture is good and ready, I'm pouring it into my larger bowls, setting the stage for the magic that's about to unfold. The moment of truth is here, and so I gently place the smaller rock bowl inside, aiming for perfection by centering it as best I can. Once I feel it centered, I will let it dry for 24 hours before the grand reveal. Fast forward 24 hours and now it's time to demold this bad boy. The smaller bowl comes out like a breeze, but the larger one, well, it's a bit stubborn. Cue the mallet for a dramatic showdown. After a few suspenseful taps, victory is mine, and the large bowl stands unscathed. But we're not done just yet. A bit of dampening, a hand sander, and we're polishing those rough edges to perfection. It's like a sculptor fine-tuning a masterpiece. Now feast your eyes on this raw beauty of my black concrete fire pit. It's a beast. Heavy, but oh so magnificent. It's getting a whole week to dry and cure because we don't want to have any moisture inside. 7 days later, it's foil time. Silver foil time to be exact. How do you put on foil? The secret is in the adhesive magic. I'm painting the glue on the entire rim, letting it hang out for a few minutes, and then adding the foil bit by bit. Patience is key because this foil has a mind of its own. It gets all over. Now, as I foil around the rim, there might be some gaps from the foil that was too stubborn to stick, so if that happens, I just try again or pick up some of the foil with my finger and place it directly on the spot. After I'm done, it's time to let it dry for 24 hours so I can prepare this bowl for the final act. Sealing. Earth Safe Finishes Quick Dip Sealer is my sealant choice, and I'm applying it with a generous hand. Drips are no match for my sponge brush, and excess sealant is soaked up like a pro. After the second coat, it's time to seal the front as I did the back. Once that dries, I'm adding an aluminum tray that I got from the Dollar Tree store and centering it to perfection. After adding my fuel can and cutting a hole in the center to let the flame fly free, I'm adding some Dollar Tree rocks in the aluminum tray to really make this fire pit pop. And here is my sleek black concrete fire pit accented by a shiny silver rim and filled with vibrant blue rocks. What do you think of the fire pit? Do you like it? What would you have done differently? Leave a comment below. Love it. And take a look at these videos that are popping up now. They're going to help you on your concrete candle making journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.